Hello friends, this is Vijay Gangwar and you're welcome CentOS 7 System Administrator Guide. In the last video, we have covered the diagnose and correct file permission problems, and today's topic is create, delete and modify local user accounts. This video will cover the following topics: how to create a local user account, how to create user accounts with user ID and group ID, modify and delete user accounts, delete user accounts with its home directory. Today, I will tell you how you can add, remove, and modify local user. So first I am going to add a user, then command is user add and the username. Username, whatever you want, you can give the username. I am going to give the username is QST user and hit enter. Then user has been added. Just see a user added or not. Use QST and user. Then you can see I have switched to QST user. So it is definitely QST user has been added. If you want to add the user with user ID and the group ID, then you can use the command is user add and space hyphen u for the user and give the UID whatever and hyphen g, then give the GID whatever and then username. Then you can add the user with the UID and with the GID. If you want to add a user in particular group, then you can use the command user add and hyphen capital G and the name of the group, QST group I have created already, and then you can give the name of the user. I am going to give the name user3, and when I will hit enter and user3 has been added within the QH team group. Okay. So you can use the user 10 either other name user, you can add the user whatever you want. If you want to add a user with no login, then you can use user add command hyphen s and use the slash sbin and no login and give the username. I am going to user 11. Actually, this type of user are required helpful for the Samba server or Samba login. Then it's not good for the local user or local. So if you want to delete the user, then you can use the command user del. User del and give the username. I am going to give the user 10 here. Okay. When I delete the user 10, then you can see the ls/home directory. Inside the home directory, you can see user 10, user 11 has been, but directory exists here. User had been deleted. If I am going to switch the user 10, then user 10 does not exist. But here you can see the user home directory is exist inside the /home directory. If you want to delete user with its directory, then you can use the command user del and hyphen s or hyphen r and give the user. I am going to 11, user 11. I am going to add the user 11, then hit enter. Or you can see, if you go and see inside the home, here you will find user 11 has been removed with its home directory. If you want to delete or remove a user with its home directory, then you can use the hyphen r switches. Okay. Now if you want to rename the user, here is user 002. I am going to rename is 001. Then we can use the command user add hyphen l and give the in which do you want to rename, and what do you want to remove. User 002. You should use the user mode command. User mode modify -n and then user 2 and user 1. Then if you want to switch to user 1, you can use the 001. I am going to switch. So you can see here I have switched user 2, user 1. Definitely, if you want to remove, just use the user del command. First I am going to user del command and hyphen here, then user 001. So this is all about the how you can add user and delete user, and you modify or rename the user, and how you can add a user inside a group. Thanks for watching. See you in it.